Today we're going to be looking at direct proportion. Okay, so it says here that A is directly proportional to B. So I can start off by saying A is directly proportional to B. Okay, this wee sign here just means directly proportional to. Whenever I say A is directly proportional to B, I can then say A equals KB. Always letter K, and K is just a constant. Why not C for constant? I don't know. We just say K for constant. Okay? Now I'm going to put some values in. So I know that A is 20 when B is 4. So I can say 20 equals K times 4. Okay? Now all I have to do is swap side, swap sign. So times 4 becomes divided by 4, which means that K must equal 5. So I can now say, instead of saying A equals KB, I can say A equals 5B. And I'm going to use that now to answer these two questions, question 1 and 2. Okay? So what is A when B is 7? Well, A equals 5B. So if B is 7, A equals 5 times 7, which is 35. And there's question 1 done. Now for question 2, we'll say again, A equals 5B. What is B when A is 50? So 50 equals 5 times B. B must then just be 10. Okay? Next question. X is directly proportional to Y. So let's start off. X is directly proportional to Y, which means that X must equal K, Y. X is 12 when Y is 3. So I can say 12 equals K for my constant times 3. Well, I can either swap sign, or I can just tell K must be 4, because 4 times 3 is 12. So K equals 4, which means X equals 4Y. Let's use that now for these equations, or these questions. Question 1. X equals 4Y. What is X when Y is 8? So X equals 4 times 8 must be 32. And question 2. What is Y when X is 36? X equals 4Y. 36 equals 4 times Y. Well, 4 times 9 is 36, so I can then say that Y equals 9. Last question. A is directly proportional to the square of B. So A is directly proportional to, that just means B squared. Okay? So A equals K B squared. Just because it's squared, we don't do anything any differently. Okay? So A is 36 when B is 3. So 36 equals K times 3 squared. Let's write that out again. 36 equals K times 9. Well, 4 times 9 is 36, so K must be 4. Which means that A equals 4B squared. Okay? Right, let's use that over here. Question 1 and 2. 1. A equals 4B squared. What is A when B is 5? Well, A equals 4 times 5 squared. A equals 4 times, well, 5 squared is 25. So A must equal 100. Okay, and number 2. A equals 4B squared again. Well, this time, what is B when A is 256? So 256 is 4 times B squared. Well, let's take this 4 across. Let's swap side, swap sign. Okay, so we can then say 256 divided by 4 equals B squared. Well, let's see, what's 256 divided by 4? That's 64. So 64 equals B squared, and we know the square root of 64 is 8. So B must equal 8. Okay guys, that's direct proportion for you. All the best now. Good luck.